Hi friends, welcome to day number 38 of our live trading campaign. The quote for today is, the simpler it is, the better I like it. As you would have seen, my strategies are very simple. It doesn't require too much of technical analysis or any much of fundamental analysis, no much of indicators. I keep it very simple. I follow the rule of KISS. Okay, and then you can see that no much tension, without any headache, without much parameters, I am able to generate easily 20% returns almost. We are in fact crossing 20% returns also as on today. And without wasting much time, let us look into today's live trading video. The stock selected was Tata Motors, and then we found out that the stock was in a ranging phase, and that is the reason why we are taking the break-ins today. That is not the breakouts. Identifying the breakout or break-in is the role of our day. It's the role for us. We don't have to do anything else. We don't have to predict the direction of the market and all those things, whether it is going up or down and all those stuff. We just have to find out whether it is trending or whether it is ranging. That's it. Okay. And the target, as always, it is 0.6% and stop loss of 0.4%. So you can see that both the orders have been placed and nothing else to be done. And end of the day, we had profit of 1500. And once we receive our profit and loss, we have to quickly update into our Excel, nothing else to be done. So you can see that 1500 with 1500 easily I have reached 20,000 profit already in this 60 days campaign. This journey has not stopped till now, but hope you are all able to learn it, hope you are all able to grasp it. This is how we keep our trading very simple, no much complication, no much parameters, very simple. Okay friends, last but not the least, just want to give you an update. The platform which I have used for trading is Upstock. In case if you want to join Upstock, it's free account opening. You can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades. Any other confusion or doubts, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. And also just want to give you an update about my options trading tactics. It's a 6 months training program where I'll be learning the adjustments. The more importance is given to adjustment and not the strategy, because as I've told you always, strategy is not important. Strategy you will get it in YouTube as well or in Google as well, but learning the adjustments and also for a period of time is more important. So in case if you want to know details about this also, you can just WhatsApp me. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.